I know, do what is right, fight for the truth. Say something that means something to you. Invest in the love, hope for the best. Follow what's in the left side of your chest. Be ready for highs, be ready for lows. Dream is a dream until you go through the mistakes. You'll find who you are. Don't reach for the moon when you're going to Mars. We're going to Mars.
Oh my god. Everything's spinning. Oh my god, everything's spinning.
So this is the Snowflake. I actually finished this about a year ago and I've just been sitting on the footage all year. Goal for this project was just to get as much payload off the ground as possible for as cheaply as possible, and it did accomplish that. Only cost me around $350 to build, and I was able to get about 8 pounds 2 ounces in payload off the ground by doing some weightlifting with a water jug. By no means does that make this thing useful. It's got a serious yaw problem and absurd prop wash issues. The frame is 4 1x1 aluminum bars held together with a big TPU brace at the center. Flight controller thinks it's in an X8 configuration, where each group of 4 motors in each 4 corners acts as one. That probably has something to do with my yaw problem, since motors are at different locations relative to the center, which gives them different amounts of torque. If I felt like removing 192 bolts, I would angle the bottom motor plates in the same direction the torque of the motor would yaw. After some tuning and subsequent durability tests...
Whoa, what are you doing?
This thing has a surprising amount of power and maneuverability considering the ridiculousness factor and the more than 9-pound takeoff weight. Flips are wobbly, but no problem, and I can hit gaps with reasonable confidence. I designed a hanging drop mechanism with some intricate fishing line weaving to make it much stronger than it looks. All these files are on Thingiverse. I'll put a link in the description. I was a bit concerned about a runaway pendulum effect, but I think the 9-pound hunk of spinning stuff worked out in my favor on that one. And I guess I'm done talking at you, so I will leave you with the thing.
Oh!